Hi. Today I'm going to talk about my family's daily routine. My name is Basmala. I live in the second floor of the new block of flats with my dad, mother, grandma and 2 brothers. I always get up at 6 o'clock on a school day. My mother always makes my breakfast. I walk to school with my 2 brothers. My father goes to work at 7:30 a.m. He works in a school. Sometimes, I walk to school with my father. I never go to school late. We usually have lunch at 5 together. In the evening, I do my homework. I often play chess with my grandma before I go to bed. I study hard for my exams. I often listen to music. We often go to the park at the weekend. I like to play on the grass there. Thanks for watching.